Okay, this is the Pictek Gaming Keyboard off Amazon. It is pretty cool so far. I think the lighting, the touch, everything about it is more than I expected. But the best part, and what probably want to see, is the lights. So let's do function 1, just regular RGB mode. And then 2 is rolling, left to right, right to left. And 3, we can go through the colors. Pretty cool. 4, get into breathing mode. And then this would be your custom gaming mode. And this is lights on and off. Okay, first time through this part, the customized lighting mode for the Pictek Gaming Keyboard. So we'll see how easy it is. I got the instructions right here. Function Game 1 to enter customizable lighting mode. Hit it again. Okay, it's flashing. Customizing function with LED light flashing. Quickly press function 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to separate and cyclically switch the lighting colors in 5 parts, the 5 sections. So we're due function section 1, and I'm going to make it neon green. Section 2, blue. 3, green. 4, blue. 5, green. That was super easy, and I've got my Seahawks keyboard now, so really cool. Let's say you want to go red and yellow. Let's see, can we change that? Let's see if we want to save now, that we need to save. Press it once again to save after customizing the last color. So function G1. Now we're saved, I think. Let's do function, go back to RGB, and then if we want to hop onto our custom mode, function custom, there's Seahawks mode. Super cool. All right, let's reprogram it to, let's say, red and yellow. Function gaming, it's flashing. We will hit function 1, make this quadrant red. Section 2, let's see, I guess that's the yellow. Section 3, let's go yellow there again. Get it nice and yellow in the middle. And then 4 will go red. There we go. 5. There's our red and yellow keyboard. If you wanted to section them off, maybe let's go all yellow for visibility over here. And then section 4, I believe, is here in the middle. We got that red. I'm going to make that purple. And then the last section I'll make red for the numbers. Really easy to program. Hit function game, it's programmed again. And then we go back to RGB mode. And then we can go right back to our programmed mode. Really cool. I'm going to go through that again. Function gaming mode. The LEDs are flashing over here. We can program 5 sections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Function section 1 is green. I'm going to go green across. And then 4 I'm going to make blue. And 5 green again. All right, that's the Pictek Gaming Keyboard and how to program the customized lighting mode. Thanks for watching. P Daddy Tech. See you next time.